You have got to be kidding me right now. With Bitcoin currently busy bleeding, trying to test the breakdown of the level I have been sharing with you on the Crypto Bliss community on my videos over the last couple days. If you are ready for the next move, then make sure you know where we're at by watching this video right here. Welcome back to the Crypto Bliss channel and community. Thank you for being here with me today. I truly appreciate every single last one of you blessed beings watching this right here, right now. Today, I'm going to be delving into some very, very awesome content, and then I'm going to be spending a bit of time on the charts. So for now, let's delve right in. Here you can see top public companies ranked by Bitcoin holdings. It's no surprise that Master is leading the charge with 499,000 Bitcoin, okay? Followed by the big miners. However, Tesla comes in at fourth with 11,509. Now remember, Tesla bought a whole bunch way back then, but they're still buying right now. So what you want to know is that there's a total of 556,645 total Bitcoins publicly added. That's $46 billion today that have been added out of these companies, right? That's just the tip of the iceberg. That's just the beginning. It's a total of 32 companies, and public companies BTC dominance, 2.8%. This is excluding BlackRock. This is excluding all the ETFs. This is excluding all of that. And this is from the 9th of March. Shout out to the Phoenix Group and Miles Deutscher. Now, the next one from Miles Deutscher. Here are the largest US government crypto holdings, okay? It was revealed that they will be creating a digital asset stockpile with the cryptocurrencies that they own. Other than Solana, XRP, and Cardano, the altcoins on this list could also find their way onto the reserve. That's Bitcoin, literally making up for 98% of the entire value. Then ETH at about 100, so that's a total of 17.6 billion. That's 198,000 Bitcoin holdings. 56K Ethereum at 122 million, Wrap BTC at 66 million, BNB at 24 million, 13 million for Wrap, BNB, WETH 11 million, Tron 3 million, Uni 2 million, Link 1.6, Sand 1 million. Pretty darn interesting to see what this is pretty much made up of, but who knows what the final reserve will be made up, because obviously there's no Solana, XRP, and ADA in this chart, but there will be. Now the Bitcoin cycle bottom to cycle top, current cycle versus 4 and 8 years prior. Currently we are here, which meaning we have not even really done anything just yet, okay? We are going to go absolutely amazingly long. You can see the blue line is 2017, the yellow line is 2021, and the black line currently is at for 2025. The bottom in 2017 was 176. The bottom in 21 was 3185. The bottom in 2022 was 15,550. Pretty darn juicy, right? Extreme fear sustains well above the past all-time high. What the fuck? I do agree with that. There's so many shit like that is happening. Retail is washed. First time I see so many OGs admit they're pissed off. I don't know. I'm a bit pissed off, but I just continue to accumulate. There's no other choice here, guys, and that's the thing. It's like when the market manipulation happens, just fucking buy what you can, okay? At any moment, work your asses off and buy, okay? It means altcoins have dipped dead, literally. Meme coins, 60% market cap gone. No hype left, maybe except JD Vance. I admit it's funny. Celebrities late to the game as always. Still, they launch shit coins no one wants to buy, only to rug it literally an hour later for 100 grand straight to jail. Trump playing trade wars, post-election gains erased. So much uncertainty in the market. It feels like the end, but it isn't. You can just stick to the facts. Keep it simple, follow the trends, and they're up. For accurate cycle top projections, use MVRV score, all right, which I do agree with. And so what? Yeah, peak projection at current rates is about 315K plus. That's what you're gambling for, survive, and look up, which I do agree with, actually. Pretty cool post there. Shout out to Crypto Burb. Okay, another one here from Crypto Burb. Bitcoin cycle run. Halving, pump. Halving, pump. Halving, pump. halving, getting ready to pump. Okay, nice chart from Carl Chassé. Okay, and as you can see here, this takes us up to epic prices on Bitcoin over the next cycle and the following cycle, always going up. You can't even comprehend how blessed you'll feel in 3 months when you look back at your March buys, which is exactly what we're saying. Buy the fucking things right now. You're sitting sideways there, you're sitting sideways there, you're sitting sideways here. So this is around the time, okay, within this zone that you sit sideways. Only really, that one was an early pump. Then the pump started really here. Pump there, pump here. Okay, it is what it is, my friends. So wait a moment, because days after halving, where the pump goes, is like normally about 350 days to 400 days. And then we really have a pump for like 150 to 200 days. And then the freaking bull cycle is pretty much done, right? So literally, we are only here right now. We have an incredible rally ahead of us. Please, my friends, don't get washed out. Stick around, okay? Because M2 liquidity is a leading indicator, and Bitcoin versus global M2. Boom. Global M2 is the green line. Sits sideways. Increases. Bitcoin runs with it. Drops. Bitcoin drops with it. Well, look at what's happening here right now. We've had a triple bottom. One, two, three bottoms here, and Bitcoin is kind of catching up to it at the moment, and liquidity has been pumping and is pumping already. It is a projection on this. It's got a 3-month lead, right? So that will take us back up in Bitcoin. That's why you should not be worried about the small blips and the drips and the drops right now, because yes, we're currently here. I'll come back to this chart in a moment. I want to finish off here with the Bitcoin rainbow chart. Right now, it's telling us we are still cheap. Accumulate the frickin' thing, okay? You're in still cheap mode. We still have a long way to go, possibly between $300 to $450,000, my friend. That's a long way away from where we're at right now at the 90 odd. Where are we? 78,000 at the moment, okay? So right now, we are not yet in altcoin season. We're still in Bitcoin season, but you can see that we're going to start making our way back up into altcoin season, which means that altcoin season truly is starting to perhaps make its way back in. And now would be the time to make crazy amounts of money. And I say that because even though we're at the bottom here, look at where we are on the entire support zone right here, okay? We're on a massive support zone. The MACD is way oversold right here, okay? And when we get oversold, we pump. Let's prove that in fact, right? So when we get oversold, we pump. When we get oversold, we pump. When we get oversold, we pump. Oversold, we pump. Okay. Pump it is all I can say. So pump it is all I can say. Now this is what I mean, right? MACD, yeah, heavily pulling down right now. Right now, it just is what it is, my friends. Don't go anywhere, because this, as soon as it starts to slow down, the next couple days, okay, we're absolutely going to see this pump from here. So cool. Right now, we're bleeding to death. Literally, altcoins are bleeding to death. And that is just because Bitcoin currently is literally bleeding to death right now. Okay. So Bitcoin is doing the same thing. The stochastic RSI is at its bottom. Every time it hits its bottom, okay, it pumps up every single time. Okay. Let me prove it to you. Bottom, bottom, up. Bottom, bottom, real bottom, up. Okay, we're at the bottom once again. I would not be selling any altcoins. I would not be selling anything, no matter how much we're pushing down here right now. And I'm going to show you what these blue ghost bar patterns are in a moment. But for now, I would like you to please come ahead to my Crypto Bliss community, subscribe to the channel, and give the video a thumbs up. That would be truly appreciated for the community, and of course for the channel the channel growth, and thank you for doing that. I truly appreciate you. Now, let's draw back right into the Bitcoin chart, okay? And let's start off right here. This blue ghost bar pattern, ironically, really starts from this point. Okay, look at this. Very interesting. That's a shoulder. This is a head pattern that's busy forming here. We could really start to see the rally up like this in a moment. Then we hit the top, we pull back some more. People fucking lose hope and they get upset and whatever. And then it pulls back, finds a reset here. Head and shoulder, head, shoulder, head. I mean, shoulder, head, shoulder pattern. Just like I drew here on the kind of the squigglies here. Then I said our next move up would be up to about the 130 to 150. Then a massive pullback down there. Then I said, boom, we literally shoot through, pause through the rest of these levels, okay? Because that's what Bitcoin does. And this move here is a very much a this is the exact replica of the 2017 move. And I think we're going to hit the 2017 move. And for me, this is what it's going to look like. And ironically, it actually ends up right around the final area where I called the date. I mean, it comes up to about the 10th of November, but really blows through here, possibly hits up to what I said on the rainbow chart here, all the way up to like $450,000. And I mean, look at that level, 380,000. I'm just calling 300,000. I'd like to see 300,000. And of course, here there is a peak prediction at current rates, 315k plus. So why would we not hit the 300k level, especially if we always hit the Fibonacci level tops? And that's here at the 4.618 at about 280k. That's my call. I'd love to know what you guys think. Thank you for being here with me on the Crypto Bliss channel. Once again, for this video, if you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and please, of course, share this with your friends and family. We need to know what we're doing with Bitcoin and crypto right now. So make sure if you want to trade, you use my Bybit link down below. Get yourself up to $30,000 deposit bonus. Right now is a great time to buy. Even if we're going down a little bit, it's always good to buy in the red days. Okay, don't go anywhere. Thanks for being with me. Appreciate you. See you on the next one.